Hey there, my name's Sera and I'm going to be sharing with you an unboxing, fun, tech-related, the iPad Air 3rd generation and the 1st generation of the Apple Pencil. I haven't done an unboxing in years, so I think this top one is the Apple Pencil, and then of course the bottom one, makes sense, is the iPad Air. I'm really excited and looking forward to learning Procreate and how to incorporate it into my YouTube videos as well as art in general. I think there are so many cool possibilities. I'm like so excited. I've watched a few of these videos before. This warning here looks kind of like scary. This one looks like it has a tear bit here. It's like pressure because this is like one take. It's not like I can wrap it back up and do it again. There it is! The Apple Pencil, 1st generation. I haven't gotten an Apple product in forever. My iPhone is a 6S. I think I'm just gonna open this box too and then get to the unboxing of everything. Ooh, this one looks like it has a tear tab. All right. That's so easy. Let's open it. Ah, there it is. Ooh, it was packaged quite nicely. Okay, iPad Air 3rd generation. I've zoomed you in, as you can tell. Starting with the pencil. I wish there was a pull tab on these things because I feel like that would be super useful. I might need to use these scissors. Yeah, so these are gonna come in handy for this, but it was nice that I didn't need them for the actual packages they came in. I got this directly from Apple's website and got an engraving on the iPad Air. I saw somewhere that you could do it with the pencil, but maybe that wasn't an option at this time or just for the 1st generation. For those of you who enjoy this part, sorry I kind of rushed through it. Oh, it looks like it's a slide. So you just slide it out. I just changed up the exposure because it was like a little blown out and bright. There is a little pull tab so you can like lift it out. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Okay. And then I've seen people do this. Oh, there we go. I have never held an Apple Pencil before, and that's where you can charge it. It's got a little cap. I didn't get accessories for it yet, but I will be looking for those next. Ooh, is that magnetic? It is! The lid is magnetic. Cool, so you don't have to like click it, just kind of boop, goes right on. Oh, that's not too heavy, not too light. It'd be interesting to use it. I'm gonna try to use Procreate with this as soon as possible to see how it goes. All right, I'm just gonna pop it back in there. Now we're gonna open the iPad Air, and I'm excited to see the engraving. Hopefully it was spelled correctly. It looks like there's a pull tab on this one. That's nice. The engraving also was free. So I mean, like, heck yeah, I want something engraved on it. Okay, here we go. I'm really excited to watch this back because like I want it to be a good view for you. So staticky. I got the Wi-Fi 64 gigabyte because I'm not about spending that much money. I mean, it was not cheap in the first place. Grabbing from the sides is easier to get this off. So you don't have to shake it. I got it in space gray, by the way. Woo! So excited. Of course, everything comes with the things that you need. You know that. There are so many videos out there. And the cube to plug into the wall. For a second I was like, I don't see the engraving, but it's at the top. Let's open this. Now, what is the best way to do this? In the bottom. It's got my fingerprints on it already, woohoo! I don't know why I'm excited about that. It's so pretty. It's got a camera on the back and the front. Of course, if you want any information or specs on the iPad or the pencil, I'm going to have it linked below in the description. Feel free to use that. I am going to readjust the camera, get a better angle so we can do this. Hey! So let's turn it on. I think you just do this. Or not. Maybe it's this. Oh, there it is. All right. It is the top lock button that you press. Hello, press home to open. I'm in Canada. All right. I just set up my Wi-Fi. Ooh, iPad automatically adapts to ambient lighting conditions to make colors appear consistent in different environments. Very cool, did not know that. Welcome to iPad, get started. Woo, there it is, this is exciting. First off, we are definitely changing the background. I quickly picked a background. I just went with the one that I had with my phone already. It's from my friend Lauren Baker Designs. She's got an Instagram, love it. And I also want to create things similar to this, of course, with my own style. I have a fall one that I want to do pretty soon, but I want to save that. It's from a Dyalla website because I want to hold on to summer even though I love fall very much. Now we're gonna pair the Apple Pencil, and I had to quickly look it up because I totally forgot. We're just gonna take the cap off. This isn't really a how-to, but I mean, I guess it could be if you wanted, just to see how to do it before you do it. But you just plug it in where you would normally charge your Apple device, and it's supposed to pair with it. That was an unnecessary ordeal. It took a couple hours. For some reason, the pencil wasn't connecting or pairing when I put it in the bottom here like it was supposed to automatically. I was like, what's happening? I hope this doesn't happen to you, but if it does, the things I tried were charging it to 100%. Charge this for over 15 minutes separately with the adapter that it comes with into my computer, as well as into the wall. I was just trying everything, charged them a lot, made sure the Bluetooth was on, did a restart with the home button and the lock button, put the charger in where it did that little da-ding and green, and quickly took it out and then put this in, and that seemed to alert it to pair and this little notification to come up here to confirm the pairing with the Apple Pencil. And now, as you can see, it does what it's supposed to be doing. I don't know all the shortcuts yet. I want to know how I can exit this without having to do the home button. This is an exploration for me. The camera is good, is working. Draw in like the Notes app. When am I using my finger? I can use my pencil. Let's do this. Woo! Ooh, that is so wiggly. How do people do this? Let's see. It's so cool, but like so wiggly. How do I? It's gonna take some getting used to. Mind you, this is just like the Notes app, so maybe it's a little bit different in Procreate. Woo! This looks so ugly. I don't know why I thought like my doodle would like magically be pretty. It is going to take some getting used to for sure.
But I am super excited, yay!
I'm sure I'll be doing more iPad Procreate accessory videos in the future, so make sure to subscribe and click the notification bell to be notified of my next upload. And leave me any tips, tricks, comments, questions in the comment section below. I'd love to hear from you. Subscribe, blah, blah. I already said that. I'll also have everything that I unboxed linked below in the description so you can check information out that way. Please give this video a thumbs up and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!